I'm Alex Batchelor. I'm founder and CEO here at Pictura Bio. What we're doing at Pictura Bio is identifying infectious disease early. We're taking technology which enables us to identify pathogens like viruses or bacteria, taking that technology out of the lab, and we're building it for point of care so they can make an immediate informed treatment decision.
My name's Dr. Nicole Robb and I'm one of the scientific co-founders of Pictura Bio. Our aim was to very quickly and very directly see what's causing an illness. Most early stage illnesses can't be identified just on their symptoms. So when somebody turns up at the GP or a pharmacy or a hospital, it's very difficult to tell what they're ill with. But instantaneously labeling pathogens in a sample, that allows us to see what's in there when we take a photo or a picture using a microscope.
I'm Nicholas Shailis. I'm one of the scientific co-founders of Pictura Bio, and I lead the exploratory research within the company. What Nicole had discovered was this really cool way of making viruses visible in a sample. What I did is come up with a way of telling which virus it is using software.
I'm Rishi Chopra. I'm a GP in central London. I've been here for 18 years. I wear a variety of leadership hats and I sit on the panel of advisors for Pictura Bio. There is definitely a need for confirming diagnosis. The pandemic has seen us come from a place where we were able to live with a degree of uncertainty, but now patients, as well as the workforce, need that objective clarity in order to manage the condition that they're seeing and reduce the risk.
So our technology is a three-step technology. Step one is PIC-ID capture. This is where we add a single reagent that labels any pathogen in the sample. Then we have the Vista reader, which captures a high-resolution image of that sample. And then we have PIC-ID identify, which is computer vision and machine learning to deconvolute the image and tell us what pathogen is present.
This device is going to be extremely small, robust, easy to use. We can put it in a GP's office, we can put it on a table in a pharmacy.
We see a future where when somebody arrives at hospital, the hospital already knows what's wrong with them. That means that only people that need to be seen get seen, people that don't need to be seen don't go, and the healthcare system in general is happier because the pressure's relieved.
Having the Vista reader available to the market really changes how diagnostics are performed worldwide.
So at the moment, if there's a new pathogen, you need to make a new diagnostic test for it. The advantage of our technology, we can simply retrain one of our networks to look for a new pathogen. If there's a new pandemic, we'll be able to very rapidly react to it.
So currently what we're working on is bringing the Vista reader into emergency departments.
So we have a clinical trial running in Portsmouth at the hospital there, and we use those samples to help train our networks to recognise samples for patients in the future.
We want to go beyond just respiratory samples. We know that our technology can work with urine and blood samples as well, and that opens up the potential to look for many, many other diseases as well.
So for me, from a general practice perspective and from a public health perspective, the ability for one to have relatively little training to use it and the ability for it to be accessible to all is pretty much a combination of a real game changer for me.